Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today I'm playing this 1976 Gibson ES335, and we're going to be checking out the Red Panda Particle Granular Delay. Alright, so this pedal is pretty fantastic. It's called a granular delay. And what does that mean? It means it captures anywhere from 15 to 250 milliseconds in the delay for its playback. And it plays that back in different pitches or out of order or different modulations on this pedal. And there's a lot to choose from. You've got feedback here, which is obvious for a delay, as well as your blend. But the interesting things are, right here you've got chop. And what chop does is it selects the size of the sample, anywhere from the sort of 7 o'clock position up to the 12 o'clock position. Anything past that, and it does a freeze sort of thing, where it will take what it's captured and just constantly play it. But it is sensitive to what you're playing. So when you have it barely in that area, if you hit a note really hard, it will capture that and be playing that, and you can play quietly over top of it. And then afterward, you can hit another note harder, and it will get rid of the first one and capture that second one. So it's super cool. You can use it for awesome atmospheric effects. The next one here is the depth and pitch knob. Now, depending on what setting you're on, it'll do different things. It'll change the delay time, or it will change what pitch you're shifting. And then the parameter knob does something different on every setting, and every one of them is amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I sure had a lot of fun. It was a pedal you can really easily just get lost in for several hours and enjoy every second of it. So I'm a big fan. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends and your family and your teachers and your pets. Don't forget your pets. They love effect pedals just as much as you do, and maybe even more. You have no idea what they do at night when you're not around. Share it around. Maybe call us sometime. And check out guitarchimp.com. And we love you. Okay? Don't forget that.